Let's consider another example. Find out the sum of C0 by 2 plus C1 by 3 plus C2 by 4 until Cn divided by n plus 2. Let's first try solving this using the formula method. In this case, it is clear that the general term is given by Cr upon r plus 2. The formula that we were using so far was nCr divided by r plus 1 equals n plus 1 Cr plus 1 divided by n plus 1. But wait, the general term here has r plus 2 instead of r plus 1. So what do we do in this case? It turns out we cannot do anything. The formula method is not applicable here, and this question can only be solved using the calculus method. So let's move to the calculus method. We will start with the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n, then multiply both sides with x. We are multiplying this because we need r plus 1 in the denominator. Next, we will need to integrate both left hand side and the right hand side with respect to x with limits going from 0 to 1. Let's solve for the right hand side first. We get c0 x square by 2 plus c1 x cube by 3 plus c2 x4 by 4 and so on until cn x to the power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 with limits from 0 to 1. Applying these limits, we get on the right hand side c0 by 2 plus c1 by 3 plus c2 by 4 until cn divided by n plus 2, which is actually my required sum. Now solving the left hand side is a bit more involved. To solve this, we can first put 1 plus x equals to t, hence dx becomes equal to dt. Replacing this expression, I get integral of x becomes t minus 1 and 1 plus x becomes t dt. For x equals 0, t equals 1, and for x equals 1, t equals 2. Now I can split this series across this minus sign to get two different integrals, integration of t n plus 1 dt minus integral of t to the power n dt, both from 1 to 2. The first integral becomes t to the power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2, limits going from 1 to 2, and the second integral becomes t to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, limits again going from 1 to 2. So this would become 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 1 divided by n plus 2 minus 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. On solving this further, I get n 2 to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 n plus 2, which is my required answer.